Hello, good morning. Welcome. Today I'm showing you our heifers. Our heifers, they are graded into two. We have two sections. These are the above 8 months heifers. This side, this one, they're above 8 months, and these ones they're below 8 months. So we, as a farmer, you should concentrate on doing the best for your heifers. Feed them well, give them the supplements, so that you'll be able to get good production and they get to produce well when they become of age. Yo, it is good work. Look at how they're feeding. We're doing a total mixed ratio. Wow, total mixed ratio.